This is without a doubt one of the best camouflage model we have seen on a G-Shock model. And you know what? We have a good news for you. Yes, this model is only $10 more expensive than the regular GA2200 model. So do not be surprised if this special color model quickly stole the attention of many people. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? It's not a new thing when Casio presents a facelift model on their G-Shock model. In fact, for one G-Shock model, Casio can even make dozens of color modification to that model. But this time, the G-Shock GA2200 MFR3A camouflage model managed to really amaze us. Taking the design from the green trees in the forest, this G-Shock GA2200 MFR looks really cool. But at $140, do you think this model will worth it for you to buy? Well, of course, it is very worth it if you like the design of this G-Shock model. For your information, the regular G-Shock GA2200 model is also sold at a price that is very close to this special color model, which is $130. And for an extra $10, you can take this unique camouflage G-Shock model with you. Okay, so this G-Shock GA2200 MFR3A was given the name Mystic Forest by Casio according to the MFR code name. Usually, we are a little bit pessimistic about most of the camouflage model presented by Casio on their G-Shock models. But this is something new and we think Casio is quite successful in delivering the forest theme on this model. The G-Shock GA2200 comes with a carbon corrugate structure technology, which clearly gives many advantages to this G-Shock GA2200 model. In addition to being lighter and stronger, this structure makes the size of this model more compact. And in our opinion, the theme of green trees in the forest perfectly applies to this G-Shock GA2200 MFR3A model. The bezel and resin band are separated by a dark gray lac, making the forest camouflage design very classy. Comes with the same physical weight and size as the base model, the G-Shock GA2200 MFR has actually been released since last November 2021. The appearance of this mystical forest model was shortly after the release of the basic model G-Shock GA2200 in July 2021. And with a very compact dimensions, this model has a bezel width of 47.1mm from the left to the right side of the bezel. With the technology of carbon corrugate structure, Casio also managed to reduce the total weight of this watch to only 57 grams. Likewise, the thickness of this analog digital G-Shock is only 30.1mm. The result is a tough and strong G-Shock that still has a very compact size that you can use for any activity. In recent years, Casio has been so aggressive to build G-Shock that is more compact but with better strength and toughness. And without a doubt, this compact and tough G-Shock GA2200 model is one of Casio's most successful products. Okay, if you don't pay close attention, the green forest theme on this G-Shock will not be seen clearly enough, especially from a distance. It even looks like this G-Shock GA2200 MFR3A has scratches all over the body. But of course, this unique abstract design on the bezel and the band makes this watch looks extraordinary. No wonder this model is included in the G-Shock special color category and so many people want it. We also really like the design of the light button, which still adapts the black color so that it gives a different dimension between the bezel and the resin band. Just press it once, then the lighting on the G-Shock GA2200 will be active immediately. To be honest, the lighting capacity is still not bright enough, but we think we can still read all information quite easily. The three-tier construction seamlessly integrates the bezel, back case, and buttons to streamline the case to a thinner one. Larger shock-resistant side buttons eliminate the need for button guards for a more compact timepiece. All this with zero compromise on ease of use, in fact, it's even easier. The key to the success of this analog digital model lies in the strong and tough structure built by Casio. The protective casing material for the module is made of resin reinforced with carbon fiber material so that it is stronger but lighter in weight. Two protective sections on the button or back further enhance the toughness of this G-Shock GA2200 model. The inset dial indicator, inspired by an automotive brake disc, is enclosed in a semicircular ring both of which are treated in a vapor deposition finish for the metallic look of serious outdoor gear. Crafted separately, the parts and dial are then assembled to add dynamic dimensionality to the watch face. The digital displays runs diagonally between the 4 and 6 o'clock position for a final touch of outright boldness. All functions on the G-Shock GA2200 are almost the same as the predecessor model GA2000, which is the basic function of Casio. There is no top solar feature on this model like most low-end G-Shock models. One thing that amazes us is the quality of the resin band material, which is very strong and thick. It's definitely thicker when we compare it to the resin band on other G-Shock models. Of course, this is intended so that you can use this watch for more rush activities. But with a thicker resin material, it means that the flexibility level of the resin band is also getting harder and will reduce comfort when you use it, especially for long hour use. Casio has also added additional protection to the back cover of the G-Shock GA2200 watch. This added protection will reduce the impact when the watch is dropped or accidentally bumped on the back. An interchangeable band system has been adapted for the G-Shock GA2200. This system will make removing and installing the band very easy and very fast. And that's our review for this G-Shock GA2200 MFR3A model. This forest camouflage analog digital G-Shock is very worth buying because the price is quite cheap and comes with a very unique design. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.